In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add Calendly to your Framer website in just 5 minutes. With Calendly, you can streamline scheduling and appointments directly from your website, making it easier for visitors to book time with you. Let's get started with the integration process. First, open your browser and navigate to calendly.com. This will be your starting point for accessing all the features that Calendly offers. When you arrive at the home page, look towards the top right side for the login button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be directed to the login page where you'll need to enter your email address. Once you've done that, simply click continue. Now, on the next screen, you'll need to enter your password to complete the login process. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your Calendly dashboard. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. From this page, navigate to the home page and select the event type that you'd like to embed on your Framer website. After selecting the event type, look for the share option and click on it. This will allow you to access various ways to share your event. In the sharing options, find and click on Add to Website. You'll see the different options for embedding. For this integration, we'll be focusing on the inline embed. Select that option and then hit continue. This will take you to a screen where you can copy the embed code. Simply click on copy code to have it ready for the next steps. Next, switch over to your Framer website by opening Framer in your browser. Once you're in, locate and click on the plus icon to access the menu. In the search bar, type embed and then click on the result that appears. With this, you'll be able to incorporate external elements like Calendly into your site. On the left side menu in Framer, scroll down until you find the embed option. Next, click on HTML. This is a crucial step because it allows you to paste the Calendly code into your website. Paste the previously copied Calendly code right here and hit enter. After pasting your embed code, you'll want to adjust and drag it to ensure it fits perfectly into the layout of your page. Make sure it's positioned exactly where you want visitors to see it. Once you've completed the adjustments and everything looks good, it's time for the final step. Look for the publish button at the top and click on it. By clicking publish, you make all your changes live, allowing visitors to your Framer website to easily book appointments through Calendly. And that's it! In just a few short steps, you've successfully integrated Calendly into your Framer website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.